Well, we often hear about eating real food for a healthy heart, whole food. We always come back to whole foods. What is the big difference between like a real whole food and then processed stuff? And like what does that difference actually affect within our heart cells? And like how do we keep them healthy?
Well, it's all a question of the types of fat. Okay.
Oh,
So when you get processed foods, it's usually got a lot of trans fats and saturated fats, and those are inflammatory. But one of the things that I like to think about is the fact that trans fats and saturated fats are linear fats. They're linear molecules, whereas the ones that are unsaturated or polyunsaturated depends on if there's cysts. So if there's cysts, so trans fats is a unsaturated fat, except that the hydrogens are sticking in the opposite directions off the molecule, and as a result, it causes it to form a linear molecule like saturated fats are. And then, so I like to think of it like if you have a column that has a bunch of beads in it, and you're passing a bunch of molecules through it, linear molecules are going to pass through that column slower than round molecules.